If you want to see the right tools and our tips for cleaning up your trees in your yard, stick around.
Welcome, it's Johnson DIY Doll, and today we're going to be trimming the dead stuff out of our tree.
Before we get this project started, we did this during the NFL draft. So we brought out our portable TV, and if you want to see that unboxing, click the link above. But we're going to show you the proper tools, and to start with, you're going to want gloves and some safety glasses so you don't get any debris in your eyes. Now, I started out with a pole trimmer that can be extended a long way to get the stuff up high. You can use a ladder, but I find it safer to be on the ground and to get a tool like this. Now, our pole trimmer has a couple different ways that you can use it, including a saw and a pruner. So you want to keep clear so you make sure you're not under any debris as it's falling down. Bonus points for anybody that spotted the Easter egg in our eaves.
So Daddy will let me use it. That's how easy it was. Put in the comments below if you've ever used one, or if you're a parent, would you let your kid use one?
So after getting a good amount of the smaller limbs, branches, and twigs out of the way, that left us with some thicker items. So in order to take care of that, you're going to want to upgrade your tools, unless you really want to put in the effort and saw these by hand. I started struggling here, so I reached for the extension chainsaw. So this is battery powered, so it works great and goes right through and reaches up, while not as high as the pole trimmer, reaches up quite a bit, and you're able to take stuff down in chunks. Once you clean up the longer branches and you start getting closer to the base or the trunk of the tree, now it's time to take out the traditional chainsaw. This works so much easier on these larger chunks, and again, we stick with the Ryobi line because our batteries fit all the tools. Once it's all on the ground, it's just time to clean up. Thankfully, we had Mama to help out, and Remus. The best part's still to come, so be sure you stick around to the end. Once it's all collected, trimmed, and cleaned up, there's only one thing left to do. And that's to make sure you got everything you needed, and then to turn that trimmings into an awesome backyard bonfire. So grab your favorite beverage because it's well earned, kick your feet up, and enjoy the evening. And if you want to see how to build this perfect fire using these tree trimmings, be sure to check out this video right here.
If you enjoyed this video, please consider liking, subscribing, and sharing this video. Take care. Have a great day.